On Friday the 26th of April, as part of the City Nature Challenge 2019 Bristol and Bath, I carried out a mini mission around the Iceland Carpark in Bedminster. This usually desolate urban landscape is a surprising home to a range of wildlife. On the way to my front door, there was a beautiful moss in a windowsill, and as soon as I opened the door, I was greeted by this lovely bird. As I walked around, there was lots of litter, but there were things growing in the most surprising places, including under some abandoned trolleys, some grass, and a Nintendo cartridge, and nearby, more plant life thriving. As I made my way around the car park, there was a surprising number of species to record. I've not shown them all here in this video. And a beautiful line of trees, all of the same species, so I only recorded them once. I took a number of photos to help with identification, including a close-up of the leaves, plants were growing everywhere around the edge of this car park. Throughout my mission, above the traffic noise, I could hear birdsong. It was very relaxing to get in touch with nature, even in this overgrown concrete area. On top of a wall at the end of the car park, I found some beautiful moss and a very interesting, what I believe might be a stone crop. I tried to imagine how nice this place would be without all of the fly tipping and litter. I think that in Bristol we could do a lot more to have a beautiful environment. There were birds flying overhead and this beautiful gull having a morning preen. On a rotting windowsill I found another possible stone crop. This tour around the car park took me about 20 minutes recording everything, and I found and recorded 22 different things to upload to the City Nature Challenge. To find out more about the City Nature Challenge, go to the Bristol Natural History Consortium website.